Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2015. I want to show you a concerning sector here that I believe is going to take a pretty big dump here in probably the next week to 2 weeks, and I think you could literally be looking at 5 to 10% drops across the board on these stocks. First one is Home Depot. All right, so we got good home sales numbers out at 10 o'clock. I think a rise of about 6% or so. And the issue here is this stock, Home Depot, did not get any sort of uptick on that. In fact, look at the chart, how it's beginning to make a bearish consolidation pattern below the two moving averages. That's an extremely bearish move, especially when in light of the chart. I mean, look at this chart. I can erase these fib levels from way long ago, but look at the run it's had. All right, that's a crazy run to the upside. So this consolidation tells me that this is going to actually dump, and I have a short-term target all the way back to about $100 on this. Look at this nice little level at 100-ish, give or take right there. And again, pivot low, pivot high consolidation. That is your target probably over the next month or two. I think it starts literally to fall probably in the next week or so to the downside off this pattern. If you look at lows, LOW, same type of pattern. This is one of the most extremely bearish patterns you're ever going to find in a chart, especially when they're this vertical on the longer term time frame. Look at the run on lows. That's a ridiculous run, folks. And again, starting to consolidate underneath moving averages. That's very bearish. Bearish consolidation. Where's your target? Same thing. You're looking probably at around the 200 moving average. Again, we're talking about a 10% drop on these two stocks. Also, these stocks are already beginning to dump out, but take a look at Toll Brothers, Lennar, all these other housing builders. They are all starting to come in. Those charts are very, very bearish. Short term, I don't like these as much to the downside because they're already falling, so I'd rather not chase. I'd be more focused on Lowe's and Home Depot, but same thing applies here. All right, good home sales data. These stocks are not acting well. Remember, when you see weak action in a strong news environment where good news is coming out, that's telling you the stock, regardless of the good news, is going to head lower. Just imagine if you get some bad news in the future, what these things are going to do. Lennar, as I mentioned, same thing. Look at that. It's already fallen pretty precipitously off the highs. A little bit of minor support right here, but I actually think this is probably going south towards that 200 moving average over the next month or so as well. So really some pretty crazy stuff, but I would ideally tell you to focus on Home Depot and Lowe's. Those charts, based on what I'm seeing in them, they are going to go lower. The chart is very easy to read. I think even honestly, an amateur could read that chart as being bearish, and it should come down pretty nicely. All right, guys, don't forget, come get involved in the Research Center. My partner just closed out a 10% winner on ASML. You guys probably saw it's on the biggest gainers list today from our entry. Unbelievable ASML. Here, take a look at this today, guys. Look at the move up. We were long this stock in the Research Center. 10% done like that. Profits in your pocket just in a week or so in this trade. Beautiful gain. Congratulations to him for that call. I closed out a winner today as well. And again, the winners keep coming. Literally close to 400% gain this year in the Research Center. If you're a member, you are killing it, and we're going to continue to kill it all year long. Come take the 7-day free trial at InTheMoneyStocks.com. It's the Research Center, folks. Find that Research Center. Take the 7-day free trial.